what types of offers work for design build. Now, even if you do semi-custom homes and you're starting with floor plans, you know, we're still going to follow design build process because someone still has to find a floor plan first. They need to personalize it. They need to build it. So if you're doing stuff from custom, this also applies as well. So what types of offers work for design build? I already mentioned what doesn't work. Any sort of financial incentives, never lead with that. Bad idea, puts you behind the 8 ball, and it's very difficult to recover. So what does work from a design standpoint, and that's where I start, because everyone has that question, what will my project look like? What is my new kitchen going to look like? What is my new home going to look like? So I like to put offers out there for anything related to new technology. So what's a new technology? 3D renderings, 3D interior design. See what your kitchen will look like in 3 dimensions. I also like virtual reality. You know, there's technology out there right now where you can put the goggles on and you can see your project, you know, before you. It's like you're walking through it. I can't remember the name of the technology, but it's for home builders. They can design a home, put it into the software. The leads put the goggles on. They go out to the lot. They can walk through that home on the lot. They can even see where the windows will be and what their views will be. Really, really cool stuff. Those are great offers. Yeah, anybody who's interested in doing a custom home loves that because, of course, that's the number one question. What's it going to look like? And so now they can actually go out and see what it'll look like. So new technology is a good offer. New products. So this is something we used to do a lot with model homes, but it would work really for anything. A lot of manufacturers out there, when they roll out a new product or they have a higher line, like say appliances are a good example, a higher line of appliances, they will offer incentives to that particular client that if they showcase that home for some marketing purposes so that those appliances, as an example, get exposure, they will get them a financial incentive. So we used to do this all the time. We used to say, hey, look, we're going to build a model home. We want to showcase this information. If you're interested in buying this, if you are willing to upgrade your appliances, you can get a discount as long as we can put it in this particular event. That might just be an open house to showcase it. It might be like a Parade of Homes type thing or a remodeling show. So that's another great offer out there. And you just got to talk to your manufacturer reps, and usually all of them have some sort of a promotional program that if you expose them to other prospective buyers, they will give a financial incentive. So usually what it relates to is like, say you're going in and you're going to build a builder grade type of product. You can upgrade to the next level there for the same price as the builder grade. So it's a pretty decent incentive. So new products is a good one. The other one I like is additional time with interior designer. You don't throw it out. So a lot of you work with interior designers. You could say, hey, our interior designer, we're going to give an extra 3 hours of consulting time to help you do all of your interior selections free of charge. We only have it available for 3 people for the next week. If you're interested, you know, contact me for details. That would be a typical offer that would use for an interior designer. So any thoughts there, Diana? Anything ring a bell for you?
Yeah, I think it's good to, I don't know, to work some and have an extra conversation with the designers. Have that extra time. I think it's
Women
very
love
valuable. Yes,
Yeah, women love it. So it's very compelling, and they're obviously the primary decision makers, you know, to do a big project like this. So offers that are appealing to women, yeah, for sure. You want to think of that as your avatar or your target market.
Yeah.
Next is timing. Okay, so I like to use slot scheduling. So you look at how many projects you can start each month. You look at, okay, work it back. If I were to have a project done by such and such a date, when do I need to start that project? So then the offer is we have 2 or 3 construction slots available to have your project completed by such and such a time. If you don't take advantage of these, your project can't be completed until much later in the year. So again, I create urgency through scarcity. So slot scheduling is a big one for time. So the question is, you know, how soon do you want to be living in and enjoying your new home or your new remodeling project? Oh, we only have 3 slots available during this time. Would you like more information, you know, about your getting started to take those slots so you can have your project completed? You just got to give them that little extra nudge that they need, you know, to, if you can do this, we can do that. But that's the idea, sharp angle close. Now, when that comes to if you're building homes or have lots, so available inventory, anything non-MLS, we've used that before too. It's like, hey, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 homes under construction that are not on the MLS. If you would like details on them before anyone else, contact us for that. So that's a great offer for somebody looking for that quick delivery home and they don't want to wait the 12 to 18 months it might take to get a home built. Same thing if you have lots or land for sale. We have this many lots in this particular area. They're selling quickly. We only have this many still available. Would you like details? That's another thing that you can do.